So, reading my voice, you're able to listen my voice, just respond me in chat window. Respond me in chat window for my, like what I have typed in my notepad. It's just acknowledgement for your, whether you are able to see my notepad or able to listen my voice or not. Right. Right. Are you able to see? Right. Okay. Yeah. Now come back to our discussion. Yeah. Like yesterday, we started data types. This data types, we have discussed that according to type of the data, C#.NET data types are classified into 5 types. Number 1, numerical data types, and number 2, floating point data types. And number 3, character related data types. Number 4, logical data types. Number 5, general data types. In this first, we started with the numerical data types. So in numerical data types, we discussed about what is numerical data. A number which is not having fractional part is called as numerical data. Example 10 minus 10, because it doesn't have any fractional part. According to the positive value and negative value, numerical data types are classified into 2 types. Number 1, signed numerical data types. Number 2, unsigned numerical data types. And coming to signed numerical data types, signed numerical data types will allow positive values and negative values, that is 10 and minus 10. When we will go for signed numerical data types, answer is whenever we want to store numerical data which can be positive or negative, like 10 or minus 10. And what is unsigned numerical data types? Yesterday class I'm repeating. Unsigned numerical data types will allow only positive values, that is 10, 20. When we will go for unsigned numerical data types, whenever we want to store numerical data which is only positive, then we will go for unsigned numerical data types, that is 10, 20, 30, like that. And types of signed numerical data types, according to the size, signed numerical data types are classified into 4 types. And what is byte? Computer memory will be measured in bytes. 1 byte equal to 8 bits. 1 bit represents 0 or 1 in memory. Binary 0, binary 1 in memory. And we discussed that, yes, according to the sizes, signed numerical data types are classified in 4 types. I said number 1, S byte, and number 2, short. S byte is 1 byte, short is 2 bytes, int is 4 bytes, long is 8 bytes. Coming to S byte, we discussed yesterday. 1 byte, S stands for signed. Predefined size of S byte is 1 byte, and that means 1 into 8 bits of signed integers. Starting range of S byte is -128. Ending range of S byte is 127. Means S byte variable can have a value between -128 to 127. Base type of S byte is system.sbyte, and list of S byte variables we discussed yesterday. And after this, we discussed when we will go for S byte. Whenever we want to store numerical data which can be positive or negative, the range between -128 to 127, we will declare particular variable type as S byte. And real-time examples for S byte is lift numbers are 10, and lift numbers, like you can have 10th floor, you can have -1, like it can be positive 10, or floor numbers also -1, -2, 10th floor, 20th floor. But S byte will be applicable for lift numbers and floor numbers up to that building has 127 floors. If it has more than 127, again we'll have a problem. And after that, I have given one homework. By tomorrow, come with 5 real-time examples of S byte, I said. Right, come on, anyone? Did you get with any real-time examples of S byte? Come on, fast. Come on, 5. AC level, 1 minute. AC level low, where is -1, -2? When you are reducing, That is not -1. It's not going. Marks will not come to numerical data first. It will come under floating point data. Next, come on, give me. I said come with 5 real-time examples of S5. Marks with negative, but marks will have fractional values. Building numbers and a flat number, no negative, only positive. Go for unsigned. Runs in over a cricket, there is no -2 runs, right? Fan switch లో కూడా -1, ఫ్యాన్ స్విచ్ లో -1 ఉండదు, తగ్గుతుంది. 4 నుంచి తగ్గిస్తాం. No -1 -2 ఫ్యాన్స్. So right, that is the story. So why you are unable to find it is that nobody had got a proper value for this. What is the problem? Lift numbers, floor numbers already I have given. Again, why you are telling same example? Think, guys and rice. Tomorrow you are attending interview. In the temperature is not a numerical data, it's a floating point data. Other than lift number, other than floor number, give me one example. At least not 5. Speaker volume also no. Temperature, why you are telling temperature again? Temperature is a fractional value. Floating 35.6. Right. Car gear also, first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, no -1 gear, right? Number of students in a class 10, 20, 30, 40. Where is -10 students? Grocery weight will come under fractional value. No. First, don't, marks will never come under this. Right. Next. Right. Next. Right. Fast, all of you. Bank balance will never come under this. Why? Because bank balance is a fractional value. Right. Why you are unable to find this? Bank account number is a big value. How you can accommodate, but there is no minus bank account number, right? Right. So with this, why we are unable to find it, and why we are unable to find means a reason ఏంటి అంటే, what is the reason, why we are unable to find, what is the reason? Because అంటే possibility of negative and positive value will be very less in the market. Either you will have only positive values, bank account number, employee number, student to hall ticket number, okay, phone number, all these will come under unsigned numerical data, which is only positive. Unsigned numerical data, which is only positive. Did you understand? Whatever numbers we are able to see, student ID, employee number, phone number, bank account number, all are only positive values. All are only positive values. Understood, all of you? Hello? Hello? Clear? Hello? Yes. Understood. So tell me some numerical numbers, numerical values, employee number, Employee number 123, 1222, 333, 444. No negative. So unsigned. Phone number 9866193194. No minus 9866. Unsigned. Okay na. So next bank account number 04001532 like something. No negative. Unsigned numerical data. Okay. So like that pin code or Indian population, state population, anything you take, it says unsigned data. So signed numerical data is very less, very less, very less. So that is the reason. And we will not use signed numerical data will be used very rare. Majority of the time we will use unsigned numerical data types. Right. Are you clear, all of you? Did you understand what I said? What I said? Vera, hello, clear? Vera, clear, all of you guys. Yeah. Now next, come back to our discussion. We can't get much examples for all these data types. Even though for short, into, long, real-time examples are very less. You have to find, even though I don't know. You think nowhere in books you will not get this real-time examples. Majority of the people tried with books, but everywhere you know our programmers, our faculties will show only. You take numerical data, by default people will use int. But everywhere if you want to use int, why they have given 4 data types here, and unsigned is what is this? Byte, 2 is u short, 3 is uint, 4 is ulong. They have given 8 numerical data types. 4 are unsigned, 4 are signed, 4 are unsigned. If to use into y, they have given 8 data types. Did you understand my point, all of you? 4, 4, 4 signed, 4 unsigned. But what our faculties will teach, what our books will teach, everywhere people are using only one data type. What is the favorite data type, Babu? Tell me. What is our favorite data type? Hello. What is our faculty's favorite data type, student favorite data type? Into. To use only into data type, why we have these many data types? Why we will have these many data types? Try to understand. Okay now? Yes. Now come back to our discussion. Let's go for short. Let's go for short. Right. 2 bytes, 2 into 8, 16 bits, signed integers. Base type is what is a base type? Listen. Base type is base type is base type is what is a base type? Okay. What is a base type? Short now, short base type. We'll see 1 minute. Let's open the my console application. Yesterday application I'm opening. And how many are installed .NET software into your machines? How many are installed .NET software into your machines? How many are installed .NET software into your machines? First, right? You should install. You can manage mobile only for C#. Once we start ASP.NET, you have to try to install as early as possible. Right. Next to what? SByte, SByte base type. SByte base type is system.sbyte. System dot, what is that? S byte, you see. System dot S byte. 1 minute. System dot S byte. Reply, not S byte right now. Right now, what is our data type? Short. Short base type is system dot into 16. System dot into 16, right? Base type is system dot into 16. So 16 bits now, that's why they given base type like this. Next, starting range is ending range is starting range is and ending range is console dot write line short min value console dot write line short max value short min value short max value short min value and a short to max value, right? Short min value and short max value, that is, what is this? Minus 32,768 is the min value. 32,767 is the max value. Minus 32,768. Short min value is, right, minus 32,768 and ending range 32,767. 32,767, right? That is the starting range and ending range, right? Over. This is the story. Now come and respond for my answer, my question. What is the predefined size of short? Come on. What is the predefined size of short? Right, right. What is the predefined size of short? 2 bytes. Okay. What is the base type of short? 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 What is the starting range? What is the starting range? What is the starting range? What is the ending range? Ending range. Ending range. What is the ending range? Right, over. Story is completed. All of you clear, all of you guys. Right. Next, right. List of short variables are list of short variables are list of short variables. Let's go for short variables list examples. A equal to 10. Valida, invalida. A equal to 10. Valid. Short B equal to minus 10. Valid. Short C equal to 32,767. Valid. Short D equal to 32,768. Invalid. Short E equal to minus 32,000 minus 32,768. Okay, valid. Short EF equal to minus 32,769. 769. What is this? Invalid. Invalid. 730 minus 32,769. Invalid. Right. So these are all the examples. Valid are there, invalid are there. Try to understand. Right. It's a list of the short variables. Right. Next, when we will go for short. When we will go for short. When we will go for short? Can you answer for this question? When we will go for short? Come on. When we will go for short? Fast. Respond in chat window. When we will go for short? When we will go for short? Fast. When we go with short? Fast. What is this? Whenever whenever we want to whenever we want to store numerical data which can be positive or negative, the range between 767 32,767 to minus 32,082 767. The range between whenever we want to store the numerical data which can be positive or negative, the range between minus 32,768 to 32,767. Right, right, right. Are you clear? So that when we will go for short, right, right. So that is the story. Right. Are you clear? Right, right, right. So real time example for short, real time examples for short. Can you give me real time example for short? Fast. Can you give me some real time examples for short? Fast. Right. Right. Sai, are you there? Real time examples for short. Fast. Right. Right. Come on, guys. All of you. Right. Real time examples for short. Come on, fast. The minus, Babu, try to understand. Bridge filler int was bridge filler. What you are understanding, right? Minus that minus to negative to positive, but range is high. So if the building is having more than 127, go with lift numbers and floor numbers. Okay, now so that is crossing 127, right? Like that, fast, right? Floor numbers, lift numbers, and floor numbers, lift numbers and floor numbers, lift numbers and floor numbers, right? Right. Come on. Credit card balance, money related, marks related. Again and again, I am telling, again they are writing marks. Array by marks will have fraction value, right? Temperature and malla katham, temperature. Babu, it will come under floating point. Temperature will come under. Now we are in numerical. Right. So, right, that's it. Find something here. Homework. Find at least, don't tell me, at least two real-time examples for short. By tomorrow, at least try at least two real-time examples. Next, third topic is your favorite data type was into. Your favorite data type is into. Yes. Coming to into, sir, what is into? Yeah, 4 bytes, 4 into 8, 32 bits, signed integers. Next, base type is base type is base type is into system dot into 32. Base type is into, that is system dot into 32. Right, base type is into, that is system dot into 32. Next, min value, max value, ways to know, because huge number it is. You can write. You see, console dot write line into dot min value, console dot write line into dot max value, into dot min value, into dot max value. Into dot huge number. That's it. Right. Over. Story is completed. Right, guys. Everybody are clear. Hello. Right. Okay, now right. Min value. So not required to write also. Right. Next, base type. Okay. And predefined size is okay. Next, list of into variables. List of into variables also common. It's not a big deal. Next, when we will go for into. When we will go for into. Come on, write the answer for this question. When we will go for into. Come on, write the answer for this question. Write the answer for this question. When we will go for into. When we will go for into. Fast. Right, fast. Tell me. No answer from you guys. Simple. You can write like this. This answer you can write. Whenever we want to, whenever we want to store numerical data which can be positive, which can be positive or negative. Come on, you can guess now. What I am writing, you can guess. You can guess. Now you can guess. Now you can guess. Come on, fast. Whenever we want to store numerical data, which can be positive or negative, if it is unable to accommodate within short, if it is unable to accommodate within short, whenever we want to store numerical data, which can be positive or negative, it is positive or negative value, if it is unable to accommodate within short, it is unable to accommodate within short, fast. It is unable to accommodate within short, fast. Right. It is unable to accommodate within short. Then we will go with what into. Then we will go with the into. Then we will go with into. Right. So did you understand, all of you? Right. Understood, all of you? Min value, max value here showing very difficult. And that's the reason I'm not showing. It's a huge value. Right. Try to understand. Right. Okay now. Real-time examples. Real-time examples. Examples for int here. Real-time examples for int. Come on. Real-time examples for int. Hello? Right, come on. Real-time examples for int. Fast. Right, next. Right. Data types is pure theory concept. Next level is complete programming. Right, fast. Right, next. Tell me real-time examples for int. Right, right. Real-time examples for int. So when we are unable to find real-time examples for short, it is also difficult. Do one thing, homework. Find one real-time example for int. Example for int by tomorrow. At least one you find by tomorrow. Yes. Next data type is at least one you find by tomorrow. Long. Fourth category, long. Long is 8 bytes. What is the predefined size? You can guess. Tell me the predefined size base type, all of you. Predefined size is what? 8 bytes. That is 8 into 8. How much? Base type is long. Base type is fast. What is the base type of long? Long. System dot into 64. System dot into 64. 64 because 64 bits. Base type is system dot into 64. Right. Next, starting range, ending range doesn't require. Okay, right. Right. And doesn't require means it is a huge value. It is a huge value. Console dot right line, long dot min value. Next, console dot right line, long dot max value. Long dot min value, long dot max value. Like this. Long dot min value, long dot max value. Like this. Right. So I hope you are clear what I said. Yes. Right. Next, big value. It is just it's a big value, huge value. You are unable to write also. Right, everybody are clear? So theoretical concept when we are teaching, we should go compulsory slowly, right? As now, next to come back to our discussion, when we will go for simple, when we will go for long, when we will go for long, fast, when we will go for long. Answer, whenever we want to, whenever we want to store numerical data which can be positive or negative, which is unable to, accommodate within int data type, then we go with long, then we go with long, then we go with long. Yes, then we go with long, right? So that is the story. Then we go with long, right? Right, are you clear, all of you? Fast, hello, come on. Right, Babu, very very valuable discussion and valuable notes it is. Here notes will be shared for you, don't worry. Right, right, are you clear? Yes, understood, all of you? Hello. Right, clear, clear, come on, come on, tell me one real time example for this. Right, homework, find at least one, find one real time example, one real time example. By tomorrow, if you really try, you will get boss. How you got lift number, floor numbers, same way you try, but will be less. That's why I'm giving one real time example for long. Right? Did you understand, all of you? Hello, hello. There are three homeworks pending for you. Real time examples for Aadhaar number. How you can say Aadhaar number is a positive value? Only positive. There is no negative value. It will come under unsigned numerical data type. Again and again, I'm telling a number of examples. Again, you are giving same response. Right? Come and tell me. Come and tell me. What are the homeworks pending for you? What are the homeworks pending for you? What are the homeworks pending for you? First. You need to give real-time examples for short into long. Short into long. Right. Over. Next, we go for unsigned. According to size, unsigned numerical. First of all, unsigned will allow what? It will allow only positive values. Okay, next point. According to size, unsigned numerical data types. According to size, unsigned numerical data types will be classified into 4 types. According to size, unsigned numerical data types are classified into 4 types. Number 1, byte. Number 2, U short, U int, U long. Coming to byte, 1 byte. Remember, 2 bytes. Next, 4 bytes. Next to 8 bytes. 8 bytes. Are you clear? Now come back to our discussion here. Byte. Listen. Predefined size is predefined size is 1 byte. Predefined size is 1 byte. That is 1 into 8. 1 into 8 equal to 8 bits of unsigned integers. Unsigned integers means it will allow only positive values. And starting range is ending range is can you guess about what is the starting range, what is the ending range? Fast. What is the starting range and what is the ending range? Come on, tell me. What is the starting range and what starting range? See here, only positive value on the starting range will be 0. We have to find the ending range. Ending range will be 255. So let's check this with the help of this one best. Now byte dot min value. Next byte dot max value. Byte dot min value and byte dot max value. Listen. Byte dot min value 0 to 55 like this. 0 to 55 like this. Right. Understood all of you? Hello. Right. So now next base type. Base type is base type of byte. Base type is you see byte. Who is your base type? System dot byte. B capital here, B small. You see. Right. System dot byte. System dot byte over. Next. Starting range and ending range and base type over. Right. So now next come back to our discussion. Right. Right. Are you clear? Right. Yes. Next, what exactly? Right. So list of. So next example is list of byte variables are 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 right. We'll see the valid and invalid variables. Right. Are you ready? Hello, 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 all of you guys. Right. List of byte variables are using byte A equal to 10. Valid or invalid? Valid. Byte B equal to, come on, answer for this question, minus 10. Valid or invalid? Minus 10. Valid or invalid? Minus 10. Invalid. 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 Why? Because it's unsigned. Byte C equal to double quotes 10. Invalid. Okay, right, you know. Byte D equal to 10.5. Invalid. That's it. Invalid. Are you clear? Next, byte E equal to what? Byte E equal to 255. 255 is what? Valid. Byte F equal to 256. 256 invalid. 256 is invalid. And I hope you are clear about this, all of you guys. Okay, now, right. Next, come back to our discussion. Right, you see list of byte variables are, this is the variables. Now, when we will go for byte, answer. Right, guys, tomorrow I'm starting the paid course, advanced course that will be 8:15 to 9:15. I will give you the details after 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes time. We're going to start tomorrow paid course. Right. When we will go for byte, can you answer for this question? Whenever we want to store numerical data which can be only positive, the range between 0 to 255. Whenever we want to store numerical data, which can store numerical data which can be only positive, the range between 0 to 255. 0 to 250, the range between 0 to 255. Real-time examples for byte. Real-time examples for byte. Real-time examples for byte. Can you? Real-time examples for byte. Right. Real-time examples for bytes. Right. Real-time examples for byte. Byte. Can you tell me real-time examples for byte? All of you, fast. 0 to 255. Age is the best example. Age. No negative. No negative. A person age will start 0, 1, 2, 3, 100, 120 max. But for this age, generally, our programmers will declare into. But int is 4 bytes. But first problem is int is signed numerical data. Signed means it will allow only positive values. Sorry, it will allow positive and negative. But age is unsigned numerical data. That is a blunder mistake. And as well as unnecessarily 4 bytes, 1 byte is enough. Memory loss, memory wastage. Did you understand, all of you? Student number, employee number will never come, boss. Employee number 11,000, 12,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh employee number. Student all ticket numbers also will be more than that. Bank balance will never. What is bank balance, Anta? What you are telling? Age. After this age, can you tell me some more? Some more. Fan speed. Yes. Byte. Fan speed. Very good. Right. Next, byte. Number of days per week. 7, right? Like this. Byte. Number of hours per day. 24. No negative. No negative. Right. Are you clear? Like that you can go. You will have unsigned numerical. Unsigned you will get more and more. Unsigned you will get more and more. Right. Unsigned you get more and more. More and more. Unsigned you get more and more. Unsigned we get more and more fast. Right. At every number of days per month like this. This is the story. Understood, all of you? Hello, clear? So now come back to our discussion. Tomorrow we start with ushort, uint, and tomorrow data types will get finished. And tomorrow, once data type is finishing, advanced .NET course we can start. So what I'm telling you to guys, your link, advanced .NET link is going to change. That will be shared to the only paid students within the class. When you are in class, to your WhatsApp, my team will share you. You don't ask anyone. Before 8:15, 5 minutes before, you will get the link to your WhatsApp and your Gmail. Okay, all your data is with us. You don't require to worry. And the payment of this advanced course will be already I have announced. Part 1 will be 20 sessions up to loops. Part 2 will be paid course will be 4 months. Like it is 50 students we are taking, starting with OOPS in C Sharp. We are going to start tomorrow. And after this, we'll start ASP.NET, ADO.NET real-time project. And once this 20 sessions completed, again, it will prepone to 750 to 950. Who are planning to join, paid the course. Actual fees is 20,000 for C Sharp ASP, but we are charging 12,000 for local students. Actual fees for abroad 600 USD. Now we are charging 400 USD. And videos will be shared for you. Don't worry. For paid course students, videos will be shared. Videos will be shared. And GPay and PhonePe 9866193194. Right? Are you clear? Yes. And once you done, you just send your details to my phone number. Like I paid the course, like with screenshot. Right? Try to complete your payment by today, end of the day. Like we will stop taking the payments already. Almost number is reached. Right? Thank you very much. And just you remember tomorrow onwards, 7:15 to 8:15 free batch, 8:15 to 9:15 paid batch. Thank you very much. 100% will try to place the students in .NET platform. Okay, thank you very much. And don't do the right. Once you done the payment, you send the WhatsApp name, phone number, mail ID. That's it. Right, payment screenshot. Right, thank you very much. And don't delay. Like really you are interested, do payment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.